I audible? Please let me in the chat if I'm audible. Okay, so I'll just stop with the music, and it will be good if you guys can just quickly tell if I'm audible or not. Yes, no, something. Far away, start karo. Yes, we are about to start. I will just share this link quickly to other people who are looking forward to join so that we can have more viewers, more people to interact with. Hey bro, what's up? Dilli Raj Bhushal. Bro, all good. Sab badhiya. I'm doing absolutely great. Thanks a lot for asking that. How are you doing? How's Sunday going on for you guys? Okay, I have chat here. Yeah, audible. Thanks Rida for the confirmation. And I'm just quickly sending this link to everyone so that others can join. Meanwhile, so let's start with some couple of random questions for me if you guys have any question that you would like to ask. So I have a bunch of biomedical students joining this live today. So we will be focusing on asking a lot of questions, understanding a lot of things about the field, and we will be pretty much doing the same towards the end of this session as well. So just wanting to know if you have any questions, any question, feel free to ask anything that you want. If you have, then please let me know. All okay? How are you doing, Biomed guy? It's me, Biomed Bro. It's you, Biomed guy. That's nice. So I am quickly checking the WhatsApp group if any messages are there. So how's Sunday for you all? Exams got over. I think a lot of biomedical students were having their semester exams. Many of you are done with it, but I feel many of you are yet to finish your exams. Cool. I will close WhatsApp from the system. Okay. So by the way, that's the new fish tank I have got. So there are 6 fishes. So this weekend I was buying some small fish and things like that so that I feel a little more alive. That's there. So we have I don't know how many people are there. We have 6 people on the live. One is me. So we have 5 people. So it's far away, it's Delhi, it's Rida, it's the Biomed guy. Cool. So see, I wanted to spend 30 minutes of time maybe like answering few questions that you guys may have for me so that by 9 we can start the session and we can go about it. So if you have any questions, please drop in. Someone's giving me heart. Thanks a lot for the heart. So 7 viewers. So slow and steady we are climbing up. Make sure if you guys haven't liked the stream, you can like it so that more people will be able to watch the stream. Maybe it will come in their feed and things like that. So you can do that if you can. That will be really helpful. And apart from that, what else? How many of you are looking for internships? I have something good for you guys. How many of you are looking for jobs? I have some good news for you. Or how many of you are looking for just an internship where you can learn and work? So I have some exciting news for you. So you guys need to interact. So if you can just chat with me, I will feel a little more alive. Meanwhile, what else? By the way, one of my friend got a job as a full-time employee, and internship, yes, Sanjeevi Raj. Absolutely, will be more than happy to help you out with some internships. Just wait. Planning for last 8 sem. Why 8th semester? Why not now? Why are you not looking for an opportunity right now? So yeah. So see, I am looking for a couple of folks who can work with me part-time, contribute to Biomed Bro, help me develop the internship curriculum that I'm making for you guys. and need abroad internship for last semester. Oh, how are you planning to get abroad internship? I believe it should be from one of your clubs in the college. I think it should be IST, IAESTE, I believe. I got an internship from Iran. I got an internship from Iran, but COVID came and I couldn't go. So that's something which I regret till now. So that's there. What else? Improving my portfolio and myself. That's good. Improving portfolio, making sure your resume is standing out. That's really nice. That's really good to hear. So we have 13 people on the chat. So what do you guys want to do? We have 15 more minutes to, start up with the session wherein, I have three biomedical students, first year, second year, third year, final year, and me who is already working. So we can have a lot of questions. If you guys want to ask any of these questions to any of the students, you can feel free to drop it in the chat, and we will be going about that in the session. Can you share the process of it? Um, are you asking for an internship that is outside India? What is the process for the same? If you are doing it through IST, then yes, absolutely, I can help you with the same. Feel free to drop it. So I will tell you how my process was. So I was part of this club called IST, and you have to pay around 2000 rupees to get the membership of this club. I think it's in all the colleges, in most of the colleges it's there. So once you take the membership, then they will shortlist a lot of internships which will come from different parts of the country. So when I was in college, we had couple of opportunities from Germany, from Iran, from Iran. So that's like a really people say, like, people listen to Iran and are like, oh, bomb blast, this, that, and all. But actually, it's not like that. It was pretty good opportunity, I feel. So yeah, there are a lot of opportunities that will come in for your college through this club. So IST is like an international organization which provides student exchange program. So they get a lot of opportunities from the ISTs that is outside of India, and they get these offers. So let's say third year students will have three opportunities, and all the students from third year who want to apply for this internship, they apply. Then they have to go through an interview process, and then the HOD of the department will also be part of it, and then you have to clear all these things, and finally, if there are three opportunities, three students will get an opportunity to go outside India and do this internship abroad, which can be any country. Hey bro, do you have any biotechnology friend? I have a lot of biotechnology friends. Uh, why did you ask that question though? My couple of my friends are in US. They're doing biotechnology there, and I have couple of friends in India. So yeah, I have few friends. Bro, which has more salary, biotech or biomedical? I'm a bio student and interested in biology. Okay, absolutely, would be more than happy to help you with this question. So when it comes to salary, I don't know how much a biotechnology engineer would earn or a biotechnologist would earn. But when you talk about biomedical engineering, if you are like having a good skill set, you can communicate really well, and you know what all things you have studied in your college, then easily 25 to 30K should be your salary initially as soon as you graduate from the college. But these opportunities will not come from your college. These opportunities will only come through your applications, you reaching out to multiple people, and getting this job secured. So this is how the placement works in today's industry. You cannot rely on colleges anymore, you cannot rely on placements anymore, because as I always say, in the end, 4 years of college, you have paid a lot of money. In the end, you end up getting into an IT company. If you're interested, you can pursue that, but if you are not interested, then you will be cribbing about the work that you're doing on your daily life. So Abhishek, I believe I was able to help you, but biotechnology, not my field. I think if I give you a wrong comment, then it will not be something which will be appreciated by everyone. Raj is asking, I am from ECE and wanted to jump in this journal. Any suggestions? Yes, absolutely. Finish your ECE, BTech, and then you can take a master's degree. And in your case, I will recommend you, before you take a master's degree, you do your ECE. But when you are in your final year, you should do a project which is relevant to the healthcare field. Okay, which is relevant to the healthcare field, so that when you are applying for healthcare companies, you are not limiting yourself with your only electrical knowledge. And EC students can easily get into medical companies if into the technical domain. So I believe one thing that you should do right now is make a final year project which is in the biomedical field or in the healthcare or based on the healthcare industry. Then you can start applying for companies which are hiring for the same. If you want help with the companies, relevant companies, I can tell you which one you could apply to since you are from the EC background. And work for 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 year, I would say work for minimum 2 years and then go for masters in biomedical engineering and take a specialization. And yes, absolutely go ahead with this field. Harshan is asking top company for biomedical engineering. It is Medtronic, world's biggest medical equipment manufacturing company. They are very much into cardiology products and diabetic products and also the scanning products. Not that much, but they are known for cardiology, diabetes, and the endoscopy equipments. Medtronic, MEDTRONIC. Okay. IST is not in our college, so how can I start preparing for it? And that way, I think you can take membership in the IST club. They have a portal or something. So one of the student I have joining today's podcast is the head of IST for Karunya, which is my old college. So I think she can help you with a lot of questions and answers. So I will pin this question so that we are not missing on this question. Just give me a second. Okay, we have pinned this message. Cool. Arya Kingdom. Can I join IIT through GATE exam? Yes, absolutely. If you have done your BTech in biomedical engineering, you write GATE exam, clear it, and then you can get into any of the IITs and pursue your masters in biomedical domain. Hope that helps. Not interested in machine and stuff, want to involve in biology, plus suggest me should I take biomedical or biotech. See, if you want to study, if you want to involve biology, then I think biotechnology would be relevant to you because we have a lot of genetics, DNA, and those kind of things when it comes to biotechnology. But when you are talking about biomedical engineering, it is basically dealing with the products or the equipments or the diagnostic equipments which basically involves human interaction, the equipments which interact with humans in the medical field. So it involves a biology, but it's not too much. But if you're interested in biology, then I think go for biotech engineering instead of going for BSc in biotech or something. You will have more opportunities in the future once you're done with your 4 years of college. Okay, so I think that helps. Far away. Bro, आपकी friend help नहीं कर सकते हैं about masters in abroad biotechnology. My friends can actually help you. They are abroad. You can connect with them on LinkedIn and they will be more than happy to help you. So yeah, can do that. Oh my god, a lot of questions. Ritika SB, I am second year student. I would like to know how it is fee related certificate courses like nanotechnology, etc. I quite didn't understand your question. Okay, you are a second year student and you want to do a certification course with which you can get some certificates which will help you improve your resume. Absolutely bullshit. Don't do that, because in today's industry, certificate is something which is like people don't check how many certifications you have. They just want to know how much you know, what is your knowledge, what are your skill sets. And what I feel is if you have the right communication skill, you can crack any interview process. So absolutely don't do certification courses. Coursera is the best platform for students if you want to do certification courses because it has financial aid. You can get all the courses free of cost. Do that courses, you will also get certificate and you can put it in your LinkedIn or in your resume. So why you want to pay for like why do you want to pay a lot of money and get that certificate when you can get it free of cost through Coursera? So think about it. Sanjeevi Raj, a person who is working in Thermo Fisher, a biotech based company, earns 60,000 per month. I got to know this from my friend's mom. She works in hospital. Okay, see bro, I will never tell you to figure out the CTC or figure out the salary based on someone else's experience. I'll give you a very basic example. Let's take example of machine learning and artificial intelligence, which is very trending, okay, in today's world. Now there are people with 17 18 years of experience, right? Very old people who are in their 40s or 50s right now. They are like in the very senior level in today's time in Google, Microsoft, Amazon. And do you know why they are getting laid off? I'll tell you the reason. So people who is having 17 years of experience, obviously his CTC will be very, 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 very much high. It can be around 50 lakhs to 60 lakhs in the IT field I'm talking. It can go up to 80 lakhs, 90 lakhs as well. So someone with 17 years of experience who is recently getting to know about artificial intelligence and machine learning, his expertise will not be that much in that, right? Expertise will be there, but it will not be that much because it is very new for them and they are still learning it and trying to understand it and trying to work with it, right? So imagine you are a owner of a company. You have someone with 17 years of experience. You're paying 60 lakhs to that person, okay? And then there is someone who is having 3 to 4 years of experience, okay? There is 3 to 4 years of experience. And this person is recently graduated, has 2 years of experience. He has done his final year project in machine learning and artificial intelligence field. He has taken part in a lot of hackathons. He has won those hackathons. So do you think the company will pay this guy with 2 years of experience 60 or 70 lakhs? No. But when nowadays you would have heard a lot about cost cutting. Ki companies are cutting cost, they're laying off people. So that's the basic example. Someone who is having 17 years of experience, his knowledge, and someone with 5 years of experience who is a recent graduate, that knowledge on the new recent topics like machine learning, artificial intelligence is going to be same, right? So as you are the owner, what will you prefer? Will you prefer paying 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs to this person who is having 17 years of experience, or would you mind paying rather 20 lakhs to someone who is having who is having 3 or 4 years of experience? And for that experienced guy, 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs at the age of 27, 26 is like a huge package. So the company is also cutting the cost, and at the same time they are also getting work done. So that's like a smart thing that the corporate companies do. And so that's why like you have to be very skilled to survive in the industry. Now coming back to your question, ki some friend or some person who's working in the so and so company, which is Thermo Fisher, is earning 60,000 per month. Dude, my salary is more than him, right? Or any other person who is in the biotech field right now that I know of is earning more than that with like 2 years of experience. So maybe he would have joined his company at 20,000 package, right? And every month, every year is getting increment slowly, and then maybe after 5 or 6 years of experience, right now is earning 60,000. But a fresher who is earning at who is starting at 35,000, every year he gets increment, it will be more than 60,000 at any point of time in future, right? So never judge any field by someone else's salary, by someone else's experience. You be skilled at it, you be best at it, and I think the companies will pay you really well for that. Yasmin has a question. Hey, I have graduated from high school recently. Is there any online internship opportunities available related to biomedical engineering through which I can learn, work, and as well? Okay, sounds good. Hats off to you that you are thinking about internship at very early in your career. So hats off to that. If you want an internship, none of the companies will give you internship because you're not enrolled in a college. But if you are looking for an internship, you can reach out to me, you can work with me. I can provide you like a free internship with a certificate or letter of recommendation of whatsoever is your requirement, and we can see how we can go about it. But I'm really happy to see that you have recently finished your college and you're looking for internship. I see that very rarely. Brother, guide me to add skill on biomedical via online. Do as many certification courses as possible. Attend as many workshops as possible, conferences as possible. Attend as many meetups as possible for biomedical engineers. I know there are no meetups that happen for biomedical engineering, but I think next month we will be having our first in Pune. So if at all you are somewhere close to that, you can meet and we can see how things move forward for us. So yeah, adding skill is just making sure that you are learning every day, you're learning something new every day, and that eventually will make sure that you are skilled enough. Far away. Okay, bhai, WhatsApp mein massage karungi. The Hindi, the texting is pretty bad, so I understood. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Happy to help you. Abhishek, my father is working in Thermo Fisher, senior scientist in Ireland, so he will be earning way more than what someone else is earning in India. So, okay, Sanjeevni, she's a fresher, but after graduation, she took 1 year gap and improved her skills in biochemistry and then joined Thermistor. So, see, as a fresher, getting 60K is like a really good amount, bro. I started my journey with 8,000 rupees salary. So, when I think about 60,000, it's like too good for a fresher. Kaushik, bro, what are you currently doing, working where, and do you directly go to work or higher studies? Okay, so Kaushik, I am currently working with a healthcare firm which is based out of New York, and I did my biomedical engineering, And then immediately I started working. So I started working when I was in my third year. When COVID was there, I started working at that point of time. And post that, I have never thought about doing masters because I feel it's not relevant to my field of interest. Obviously, I want to pursue MBA, but I want to do it in one of the best colleges. So if I get like 100% scholarship, then I would be doing that. If no, then we'll see. And did I miss any other question that you asked? What I'm doing is currently I'm selling software to doctors in the US. So every day I interact with a lot of doctors, 60, 70 doctors. I interact with them every day. I understand their problems. I give them solution. So that's what I do. So basically I talk to doctors. Ami, what's your package right now? My package can range between 11 lakhs to 17 lakhs between that per year. And I have 2 years of experience. 1 year of official working experience. So I graduated in 2022. I worked 1 year officially, but unofficially I have 2.5 years of experience. And yeah, there I am right now. Biochemistry is more demanding in Ireland, in Europe. It's good to do research. And I think if you are looking for biotechnology, then go for Ireland, go for Denmark, go for US. If you are looking for biomedical, go for Germany, go for Taiwan, go for Korea, South Korea. So yeah, go for Japan. Never go to US if you are looking for biomedical. Ritika, which is your first company you got placed in? How did you get it? Interesting. So when I was in my third year, basically what I did is during COVID, I understood that this is the right time to do internship or get an internship because none of the people were applying. Everyone was sitting in home, spending their time studying and things like that. So that time I searched in Google healthcare companies in Bangalore, biomedical companies in Bangalore, and medical equipment companies in Bangalore. These are the three keywords I searched. All the contacts number I got around 60 contact numbers. I wrote it down in a piece of Excel sheet and I started calling them every day one by one. And I think around 40th or 41st call I made, it was Comofy MedTech, which is a startup based out of Bangalore. They are making medical robots to remove kidney stones. It's a non-invasive way to remove kidney stones. And I was part of that company for 3 months and I was getting 10,000 paid per month as an intern, not as a full-time employee. My full-time employment salary was 8,000 rupees. So 10,000 was the first internship I got, paid internship I got, and this is how I got it, cold calling. Call up, ask them for an internship, keep calling until you don't get an internship. Simple. Kaushik, so cool, great. Thanks, man. Bro, you're a pure science student. If so, did you get MBBS? Why didn't you choose BDS or BMS? Good question. I'm not a pure science student. I had physics, chemistry, biology, and maths. Maths I took because my parents forced me to. And fun fact, I scored 34 out of 33 in my 12th board, CBSE board exams in maths. Remaining all exams, I had like good score, like 70, 75, 82, pretty much good score. But because of maths, my overall percentile was 68% in 12th standard, CBSE board. And so yeah, I come from a pure science background because I never liked maths. And after that I took 1 year drop for NEET preparation, which went downhill. I didn't really like at all what I'm doing. So I took this coaching for 5-6 months, I think 3 months or 5 months or 6 months, I don't recall. And then I used to go to this coaching class and just sit there doing nothing, not understanding bullshit. So I understood that's not my cup of tea. Fun fact again, after my 12th, immediately when I was doing my 12th, I wrote NEET and I got around 420 marks. After 1 year of preparation, I wrote NEET again, I got 120 marks. So you see the improvement there. So that's how I got. And yeah, with 170 marks, no one will give you BDS or BMS. And absolutely none of the people, like I don't have money to pay and get a private seat and do MBBS. So but I'm happy that I have a lot of friends who are doctors right now. So looking at their life, the way they're studying right now, I'm happy that I didn't pursue that field. So yeah, I answered your question, Abhishek. And why biomedical? See, why biomedical? Because that's the only course which was new. It is medical and engineering Little engineering, more medical. So you are developing equipments, you are working directly with doctors in the OT operation theaters. You're making sure all the equipments that the doctors are using are safe to use, are calibrated, and it's pretty exciting. Like in US, right? In US, any of the hospitals you go, after a senior doctor, the first person to treat patients with an equipment is the biomedical engineers. This is something which I discovered last year and I was shocked. So that's how much important biomedical engineers are in hospitals. But hospitals, I think, are not our primary place to work. We directly work with medical equipment manufacturing companies. I am confused about future of biomedical engineering jobs. This discussion we had last week on the live. So currently the market for the biomedical industry worldwide is around $462 billion, and by 2038 it is expected to be at $692 billion. Okay, so opportunities are there, and imagine, bro, uh, obviously you will have thermometer in your home, obviously you will have BP machine in your home, you will have like the glucose checking small device in your home. So these devices were made by someone, that's why you're using it today. And healthcare is something which will forever be there. The way our lifestyle is becoming, the way we are spending time in social media, in digital, and our lifestyle, drinking habits, eating habits, everything is affecting our health. And new problems will arise, or the new equipments will have to be there to treat these things, right? So a wonderful field, I would say. IT, software development, healthcare, and finance. Three industries which will never die. And that software also includes AI, ML, and all those things. Mine is also 68, so I have a twin here. Bharat is asking, "What's your age?" Guess my age. Guess my age. Then I will tell my age. I would like to know how old do I look. So you can just put it on the chat. I'll come to that question though. Kaushik, I just finished my second year in ECE with specialization in biomedical engineering, and after my second year, I did my internship in a device manufacturing company, and I did electronics work, but I want to explore more. Absolutely, bro. Do more internships. Reach out to the best way to get internships for college students is to reach out to startups, the new startups that are coming into the industry. Because what is their focus? A startup's focus is always to get work done at low cost and grow. And when you are asking for an internship opportunity to these startup companies, you just have to make sure that you are articulating something like, I want to work for you, I want to learn, but you don't have to pay. So that's how you should reach out. So explore, reach out to companies, cold call, cold email, reach out to people on LinkedIn. You can't just say that, I didn't get an internship after applying to 10 companies a day or reaching out to 10 companies a day. So make sure that at least 25 companies you are applying every day. Do it for a week, and if you don't get an internship, you reach out to me. I'm pretty sure you will get an internship. Damn sure, actually. I am legit with the same mindset as you. I wrote NEET 2 after 12th, but it was pathetic, right? Harish Kumar, I'm doing biomedical, but I want to go MTech in EC through GATE. Is it good or not? Obviously, biomedical and EC always a good combination. The opportunities will not be limited only to biomedical companies. You can always focus on getting into electronics company as well, and the electrical companies as well. Siemens has two fields, electrical and healthcare. GE has two fields, electrical and healthcare. So Philips, electrical and healthcare. So there are a lot of companies. When a biomedical engineer is doing masters, they are only limited to healthcare field. But if you're having EC and biomedical, you can join both the fields. You can also join the electrical field of the company and also the medical field of the company. So more opportunities, in short. Hey buddy, hi Rakib. Sir, I would like to do a free internship. Absolutely, reach out to me. Abhishek, if you would have got 311, which is my mark in NEET, and have a chance for BDS or BAMS and biomedical, what would you choose? Answer truly. I think I would have gone for biomedical, being honest, because I wanted to be a cardiologist or a pediatric, because I like kids, and cardiology is one of the best fields to be in. So I wanted to pursue MBBS only if I'm getting these two options, but my marks itself is so good that I can't even think of it. But again, given that situation, if I would have got an opportunity, I would have gone for biomedical. Why, if you ask me? Because I think every street has a dental clinic now. And I think there are around 25 people in the chat. How many of you are taking Ayurvedic prescriptions or meeting Ayurvedic doctors and, getting your healthcare problems treated through them? I don't think a lot of people do. So BAMS, no, because I don't think it is preferred by people in today's world. And dental, not because there are a lot of dentists, man, a lot of dentists in India. And I will be just one among them. So I think I gave the justification for my answer. After completing bachelor's, is it necessary to complete masters on BME in order to get a job with a decent salary? I still do not have a master's degree. I have only done my bachelor's degree, and I am doing well. I'm earning well, and I want to do masters, but in business administration, but not right now. When the right time comes, I will think of it. So see, this is the problem, right? Students in final year, students in college, they are just thinking of masters, masters, masters. Why? See, biomedical is new. You learn and then you do a job to understand what exactly is the work that you need to do. And when you do that, you understand what is required, what kind of internship is required to be in the industry. And then you pursue masters and then you get a good job, which is a really high paying job. That's a smart way to go about it. So if you are in college, focus on developing your skills. Jitendra Kumar. Hi bro, Shulok this side, and I'm thinking to pursue BME, but I'm confused between BME. Okay, a very simple explanation. If you are someone who likes statistics, probability, mathematics, dealing with a lot of data, creating tables, analyzing the data, doing research and things like that, go for bioinformatics. But if you like interacting with patients, if you like interacting with people, if you like interacting with doctors and these kind of things, then go for biomedical. A very simple answer. Oh my god, questions. Abhishek, so genius answer. Thanks, man. Kaushik, so starting off job, do you think startups are only a good deal or like big companies? Obviously, man, if you're getting a big company, absolutely well and good. But if you're joining a startup, you will learn a lot. You will not only learn about the things you're supposed to do, but you will also learn a lot of things. So, my first company, which was paying me around 8,000 rupees, that company that was a startup. Okay, I used to do video editing, graphic designing, videography. I used to do sales. I used to take cold calls. I used to interact with patients. I used to interact with doctors. I used to go to train nurses in the universities on using this critical care equipments. So these many things I will not do if I'm joining a big company, right? So initially, my recommendation or my suggestion would be to work in a startup for a year, learn as much as you can, then look for a big company if you are getting good enough. But if you feel that okay, I need to do this, pursue my masters, then go for masters. Cool. So I think we are out with questions, and what I will quickly do is we will just get on to we will just get on to the live which we were planning. So we can get on to that and ask ask questions to the folks who are joining in, who would be meeting you guys, and I will talk to you guys in a while. I will also be there, so let's see what the other people has to say.
All right. Should I start? Okay. Hi, everyone. I am Aditi Sharma. I am currently I have just now came into my final year of biomedical undergraduate. And I guess right now I'm at home after, during my summer break, will get over next week. That's pretty much it.
So, hello everyone, I'm Ashish. I've completed my second year of biomedical engineering and recently I've completed my internship, so I'm looking forward for my third year.
So, hello everyone. I'm Bharat. Currently, I'm in third semester, third year, sorry. And it's been half a decade I'm connected with this biomedical field. So, it started 5 years ago. I did a diploma of 3 years course, biomedical engineering, same field. And currently, I'm doing my bachelor's. Yeah, so it's about me.
Yes.
Yes.
Sixth semester, third year. Yeah.
I mean, you are to us.
Now am I audible? Am I audible now? I'll wait, okay? There's a 20 seconds delay, so I will just confirm if they can hear me, then we can carry on with this. Yeah, I have increased the volume, so now you can tell if you can hear me in the chat as well. Let me check again for 20 more seconds.
So my college journey, it's been of 2 years, a lot of opportunities, a lot of tech events, a lot of projects. So it's been good, and I'm looking forward for the next 2 years. So I stay in Hyderabad, so my college is in Tamil Nadu. So I'm in the hostel. So I've enjoyed my college life, and I'm looking forward.
Sitting, you are not audible, it seems.
Interesting. Can you hear me now? Anyone in the chat? Okay. So, okay, I will.
All of us are not audible, it seems.
Who is one of us is not audible?
You
Hello.
are not
Yeah.
audible.
I am audible now. Oh my god. Sorry, this is the first time. So even I am new to this.
Yes.
Yes, now it's audible. Cool. Let's go. So coming back, you can see everyone now. Peaceful. Yeah, it's audible now. So I will start with the first question. Okay. So the first question I have is for any of you guys who would want to answer. What is one thing which you do not get in your college? Or you think this should have been there in my college, Like it is not there.
Placements.
Except placements. Except placements. So yeah. Shoot. Good
In my college,
faculties.
labs are not there.
Good faculties. Young
Labs.
Technical
faculties.
events.
Technical events. Okay.
Non-technical events. We have no fun
Okay.
part in our
So again,
college.
fun fact. My college where I studied, there is no festive, though no fest happening. There is
Yes, nothing.
no cultural
No
fest.
concerts.
Nothing. So they have more technical events like symposiums, exhibitions, and things like that. So, yeah. So technical skills, technical events, placements, good faculties. That is my feedback. And what else?
Labs are not there in our college.
Labs are not there. In that case, Karunya is really good. They have a lot of labs with a lot
Yes.
of equipments which you can use. So these are the damaged equipments, but you can open it, you can see the things, and yeah, you can do that. Cool. Now, Abhishek has asked a question. There are a lot of questions in the chat. Okay, I'll go one by one.
Sijan, it seems like again we are not audible.
No, no, no. I understood. Who is not audible? You guys are not audible.
I don't know. Some of us are not audible. I'm getting messages.
No, because of 30 minutes delay, it's like that. So, okay, I'll come to the questions. Can I have
Yes.
opportunity to do an internship? I covered that question already. What are the future opportunities in BME? So you guys should answer first. First, I'll start with Bharat because he's in final year. Then I will come to Aditi and then I'll come to Ashish.
Yeah, so there are lots of opportunities are going on in industrial domain, mainly in biomedical engineering. So Siemens Healthcare and GE Healthcare, they are actively uploading like new recruitment posting in biomedical engineering field. Clinical engineers are there, research opportunities are there are going on, and in government field also some research center is there. ISRO is there in Bangalore. So yeah, these are the opportunities are.
Okay, I'll come to Aditi now.
Yes.
By the
We
way,
have.
she has done internship in Siemens. Okay, so if you want to do internship in Siemens, you can reach out to this person.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyways, fine.
Yes. Okay. So the question was
Future opportunities
opportunities.
and like, so where do you want to be in? What kind of companies you are aiming for? Maybe you can tell that.
Okay, I am particularly interested in research and development field, and that is why I've chosen Siemens for my second year internship, and that went pretty well. As Sijin mentioned, I've already internships that went pretty well, and I'm looking for opportunities both in India and abroad as well. There are plenty of opportunities. It depends on one's personal interest.
Okay, good enough. Welcome to Ashish. You're going to third year. So do you have any
Yes,
such
Sam.
plans or companies in mind you want to be in?
I think there is a lot of R&D going on around in Bangalore and in Hyderabad. The company which I've recently completed my internship, I was a research intern.
Okay.
So there are a lot of startups and a lot of opportunities.
Okay. So do you want to join a startup company or a big company?
I think I want to join a startup company because the wealth of knowledge I've accumulated in the last month, I think was a really great experience. I
Okay.
was working with the founder. I was having a great time.
See, that's what I said. You should go for startups. Next. Okay. So future opportunities, it's endless. You can get into medical diagnostics. You can diagnostics if you don't know. How do you assess you are suffering from this disease or not? So the devices used to figure this out are diagnostic equipments. Therapeutics, medical therapeutics, again, the equipments that are used for therapies. And you can go to medical equipment companies, medical manufacturing companies, research and development field, medical startups. So many opportunities. So these are never ending opportunities. I have a good communication skill, a sense of humor, same generous, and I love people to like you, so I can choose biomedical. Didn't get your question, but I'll come to that. Can I have opportunity to do internship from first year of BME courses? Did any one of you do an internship in first year?
Yes, I did.
Then you should talk about your experience. You can tell how
Okay.
did you get that internship, what kind of company it was, why did you apply for internship in first year. You can start with that.
All right, so it includes a little bit of Sijin. When I joined the college, I was in first year, Sijin was in final year. And it was our good luck, I would say, that we got Sijin as a mentor that time. And he introduced us to LinkedIn. Okay, fine. He introduced us to LinkedIn, what it is, and what college won't teach you that you should have, what skills you need, and all sorts of things. So that's when I started looking for internships. And he was the one who told that you should do a hospital internship and a company internship. And since that was lockdown time, COVID was there, I did a hospital internship in December of 15 days. Yep. It was pretty great. I would say I learned a lot of things there. Basic what biomedical engineers do in a hospital. And after that, yeah, company internships I've told you I've done in Greycare Pharmaceuticals, and after that I've done in Siemens Healthineers. Every year I'm doing one internship. This time alone, I'm at my home, enjoying my vacations. that is all about my internship experience.
Cool. And which company did you join?
Which company? It was a hospital internship.
Okay. So I'll tell you the reason why first years should do hospital internships is because second year is when you start your core biomedical subjects. So in first year, if you go to hospital, you can see all the equipments. It will give you a really good understanding as to what these equipments are, why is it used in the hospital. So that in second year, when you start studying about medical equipments, it will really help you to understand how it works and things in a really better way. I think Bharat also did an internship in hospital, right? Manipal, if I'm correct. So you can talk about
Yeah,
your
correct.
experience as well, though.
Yeah, so Manipal internship was my second internship. First internship I did in my second year. So it was a research internship in Maharashtra. It's a private institution of research. So we basically work on cancer detection systems. It's like we are processing, we are using digital signal processing to train one software so that the like patient data can be uploaded and we can detect the cancer cells. So I work on that. And secondly, my second internship was a Manipal internship. So I did in Bangalore. So it was good. Yeah, in second internship, I get to know about the various department of hospitals, their functionings, and the various department like what are the devices we can use there. Yeah, so that's about it.
Cool. So pretty much on the same line, I believe. Ashish, did you do an internship in hospital?
Yes, this last 30 days, I had an internship, and it's a really interesting story.
Okay.
So I
Tell me
went to
about it,
a,
bro.
yeah. So I went to a hospital to do my internship. I didn't do any internship in my first year. So I went to the hospital. So there I told doctor I want to do an internship. So he said, what kind of, I told him I'm a biomedical engineering student. I want to see the equipments. I want to learn. So he's like, you can't touch the equipments. Only thing you can do is see and learn. So I pretty much didn't like it, and I was randomly searching the Google, a, a quick Google search, entering the keywords like biomedical engineering near me. Then I found a company. I called up the guy. The guy who lifted the call was the founder of the company. So I told him about myself, and he was like, "You can meet me tomorrow." So I went, and it was a startup company. It was an LED manufacturing company. They're expanding to biomedical applications. So I worked this 30 days. It was really interesting and a great wealth of knowledge.
Okay. And how many companies, like, how many calls did you make or how many emails did you send to get one internship? I think
It was
you can go first, Aditi can go second, Bharat can go last.
it was just 3 calls.
Okay.
Interestingly,
Lucky. Okay.
I was lucky enough, and in the third call, I got an opportunity.
Okay. Aditi, you, what about you?
Yes, so for the hospital internship, I didn't have to do any calls. My dad knows people in the hospital, so that was it.
Lucky people
And
again.
after that, yes, okay. Again, for the second company, Grekia Pharmaceuticals, again, no calls. My mom knows their people, so that went pretty well.
So
For
basically
the third
it's
company,
contacts.
Siemens, yes, I have contacts. Okay, so
Okay.
the third
So
company, Siemens,
you guys can reach out to
then,
her if you want internship. She has contacts. So yeah.
okay. Yeah, so for the third company, I had to make some calls and I've sent email. I went through the interview process. I had to write a purpose letter, so many things. But then again, so many things have helped me in my college. I'm a part of IST. So IST has helped me a lot
Okay.
getting that Siemens internship.
Bharat, what about you? How many applications, how many calls, how many emails?
Yeah, so first internship I got directly without any call. Second also without call, but
How?
I visited more than 15 hospitals physically in Bangalore. So
For
after that
internship.
I got the yeah for internship,
Okay, so
but I
first two
didn't make
you
any
got
call.
directly. When you say you got directly, how did you get it?
Yeah, so first I searched for HR department. I can directly visit the HR department. Then I introduce myself about my my background, my academics. Then I show them the letter like college offering this internship for 1 month. Then I visit the biomedical department. I talk with the biomedical engineer, like HOD is there or an engineer is there. So I talk with them. They ask some questions regarding the field. They check our knowledge, and yeah, and most of the hospital not offer internship for 30 days, so they mainly offer for 6 months. So that was the major issue. Otherwise, like everyone is ready to go internship.
I never did an internship. in a hospital in first year. I was doing graphic designing and all. So that's how my internship went. I'll come to the questions quickly. Yeah, wait. I have one question which came when the live started. IST is not in his college. So how can he start apply or how can he start his process through IST if his college is not having IST?
Okay, so I mean, IST has free members also. So if you are a student in India, only if you are a student, the working professionals cannot. Only if you are a student in India, you can become a free member of IST, and then you can go through the exchange portal and apply to internships.
So I think it was the question from Nick. I think his name is Biomed guy. So I think you can connect with her on WhatsApp. I think I've already sent you the contact. So you help him enroll in IST. So I got a free sale for you.
All right.
Anyways. uh, Ikra visuals, not getting exposure about biomedical equipment. First thing, don't go pay 20,000-30,000 rupees to a company to see these equipments. You can do it free of cost in first year. Go and do an internship in hospital. That is what I will recommend you. So I think that helps. Bharat, you are from which college?
Yeah, so I'm from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, Bangalore.
Okay. So tell about your college. How are the professors? How are the teacher? How are the syllabus? How is the college as a whole? You know how the college is like.
Yeah, so our academics are like under the VTU University, like Vishweshwara Technological University. So here academics are pretty much related to IIT. It's based on IIT. So we are the lucky batch, like 2023 batch. It's there. So our syllabus is mostly based on IIT syllabus. Before our scheme 22 scheme, the syllabus was completely different, and after our scheme, like 24 scheme, the syllabus is completely different. So that is the luck.
It is an IIT like kind of college. How's the placements, bro?
Placements are not, don't ask.
That's what people want.
Last time, yeah, so
Last time?
60% placement have completed,
Okay.
like from our college.
I have a
Remaining
follow-up
student,
question. 60% placements. How many in core healthcare or biomedical companies?
I don't know, I think 20% are like that.
And how many IT? Infosys, Cognizant, TCS, Wipro? Majority
Mostly
of them.
remaining, yeah.
So yeah. So I think that answer helps. Anyone from SRM KTR? I don't think. He's from RGIT. Both of these folks are from Karunya University. So yeah.
Sachin has also been a part of Karunya.
Yeah, I was part of that college. So yeah. Sanjeevi has a question. Siemens, I want to know how she got the opportunity to be an intern in there and did she reach out to them? Question is yours.
All right. I have already answered a bit of it before, but then Siemens again. I've applied there and I've sent them a few mails because there was no opening. I just wanted to do an internship. And I was like, okay, let's try my luck. So then I've made a few calls. Then I was in good contact with one of the person over there, but that is neither the HR nor from the department which I wanted to do an internship in. But then luckily, again, I found some connections and then I got into it. But then still, I had to go through an interview process. I had to do everything. And along with me, one more person from our college has applied. But then luckily, I got in and he did not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone else want to add? Bharat or Ashish, if you guys have tried applying to these companies or any of these companies?
Yeah, so
No.
I tried. So there, like one portal is there for Siemens, so you can apply there, like filling the forms and all.
I can actually send it. It is Siemens career page, right?
Yeah.
Actually, there are only 2 screens. So if any one of you can just share the Siemens career page link on the chat, would be helpful. So I will add on to that. If you want like a proper way, a structured way to do it, first thing, be very active on LinkedIn. I always say this, can't stress it more enough. So be active on LinkedIn. Go to Siemens page and send connection request to everyone that you see in there. Okay. Out of that, you will get 20 connections. If you send 100, worst case scenario, you send 100 connection request, 20 people will accept. Out of those 20, you have to text all the 20. You put one common draft of message ki I am so and so looking for opportunity, this that, can you help me get an internship? Send 20 messages to all of them. 2 or 3 of them will reply ki this is the process, apply to this link and tell me, and that's how you get a referral. Okay, so people are kind enough to help, so you just have to reach out to them. That is first thing. And second thing, go to the careers page and apply from there as well, and make sure your resume is as descriptive as possible because you are in college.
Okay, I would like to add one thing to that.
Go ahead.
Yes, talking about resume. So I've seen so many people saying that for freshers, the CV or resume should be of one page. But then I still do not believe in that personally, because I think, yes, your CV or resume should have everything, because it is the first thing which the company people will see. They will not interact with you directly. That is the first thing which they'll see. And if you have not put enough information in there, so how will they know what you are, what you have done? My CV is of 2 pages.
Someone great gave the suggestion to them, when they were in first year.
I have already
I'll-
complimented you, so
I'll
they're
tell
not
you.
gonna do it again.
So I'll tell you why exactly it works. Your college professor, 99% of them will tell your resume should be one page, otherwise they will reject it. But hear me out, okay? You are a fresher. Let's take example of Ashish and Bharat, okay? Ashish has 1 page of resume because his faculty told ki your resume should be 1 page. Whatever you have, it should be in 1 page. Wherein Bharat is having a resume, 4 pages, and he has mentioned everything: this certification, that certification, this many internships, and this many things. And if you are an HR, which profile will you go with? The first one or the second one? You'll go with Ashish or Bharat? Obviously, we'll go with Bharat because he's a fresher. He has a lot of things to talk about, whereas this guy is having only 1 page to talk about himself. And yes, they are correct. Your resume should be short when you are having experience. 8 plus years of experience, 8 year of experience, 10 year of experience. At that point of time, you are having an expertise, and you can only talk about that expertise, and you have to make it very crisp and short. So that's why for experienced people, 1 or 2 pages resume work, but for freshers, as big as possible, I would say. So yeah. Can I connect with you all in LinkedIn? Yes, you can connect with me. I will send all of their profiles to you. Top edits. Hello sir, please tell me about SRM main campus. Tomorrow is my counseling, so should I opt for BEAT? It's too early for me to help you out. You could have reached out to me a week prior so that I would have done my research. By the way, I'm planning to do a video series where I'm reviewing all the colleges based on the course, syllabus, infrastructure. If you want that, put it on the chat and would be happy to do that.
All right, SRM main campus for biomedical.
Yeah, someone asked in the chat. If you have,
Yes.
if anyone of you have answer, go ahead.
No, I do not have answer, but then I have friends who are there doing biomedical from SRM main campus. If you want, I can share their contacts with you.
Cool.
Just
So,
text me personally.
okay. You can just join the WhatsApp community. Link is there in the description. Just drop a message and one of us will reach out to you.
Yes.
Vishnu, as a final year student, how should I create my resume? I have already made a detailed video. Go watch that because it will be very lengthy. We just finished the same conversation. Can we connect? Yes, we can connect. I have zero coding knowledge and I think I already have finished my second year. I don't think I'm interested in IT. Do you think I should learn basic coding just as a backup or should I just leave it? I still don't know single line of coding, bro. These guys know. I think Bharat knows, Ashish knows, and Aditi knows. So you guys can tell how important coding is for biomedical engineering students.
I have not used coding at all in any of my internships. I do have some basic knowledge in coding because according to our college, if you have to pass, you will have to know coding. That is all.
Ashish, Bharat, you guys have to talk,
Like
okay?
biomedical engineering, it's like a little of everything. So we learn coding to an extent. We learn some product designing or mechanical engineering to a extent. So I think we need to upskill ourselves by doing more courses. That is what I feel. And coding, as you know, it's used in everything, every project, everything you do. So I think it's one of the main skill you need.
Okay. Bharat?
Yeah. So coding is in our academics. We learn C, we learn Java, and currently we are learning Python language. Like it's a basic, like only theoretical part, and labs are there. So some programming part we are learning, but I think the programming is also important part in biomedical field. The interfaces used in various devices are mainly like made by CS people, we think, but it's not true. Biomedical engineer also can perform well because CS people need to know about healthcare, like some have to some have knowledge regarding the healthcare, but biomedical people already have biology knowledge and everything, so we can just try to do coding, and it's already there. Java courses are available in YouTube, so we can do that.
Okay, now I'll give you a hack which I always used to clear interviews. Even if you don't know anything, just know what it is and just talk in a really good way, and then you will clear the interview. That's what I've been doing in all my interviews. So improve your communication. Even if you know the basics of coding, you can very well clear the interview just by the knowledge of what you have, existing knowledge that you have. Ashish, big fan. Ashish Anna, big fan. There are Ashish fans in the chat now.
This guy is my 10th class classmate. Yeah.
It's good,
So
bro.
I've made, yeah.
And
I
then
wanted more views on your channel, so I shared it.
it's good, bro. Lily, process of getting an internship at Siemens, already discussed it. Kaushik, Sanjeevi Raj, I know basic Python and Java and MATLAB and whatever they taught in college. That's all bare minimum. I don't know in depth. I'm worried because of that. Bro, I don't know MATLAB. I don't know signal processing. I don't know image processing. I don't know anything. But I know what it is. Why is it used for? So I think that's more than enough for you to clear an interview. They are not going to ask you, this is the thing. Tell me the formula to solve this or do this. No, biomedical field they don't ask you practical questions on MATLAB or things like that. They will just ask you the basic things how it works, and that's all they ask as far as I know. You guys have any experience in interviews like those? No, no, no. Okay, no. Ashish next sala cup namde. Hopefully. Going to
Hopefully,
join
yes.
SRM KTR. Harshan. Good enough. Ashish, please share your secret to success. Arvind Sai.
Nothing. I think
I
I
think
think there's a lot of time still. I just completed my second year, so I think I'm doing good at what I do right now. So
good enough, bro. I think these are your friends from college.
yeah, this one guy is like spamming all of them.
Okay. Kevin George, let's go. Aditi, let's go. Tarun, let's go. Ashish, let's go. Ashish bhai Zindabad. Abhishek, bro, are you also going to SRM which branch? Random questions. As many are there, which is good, biotech or biomedical? What I gave my answer to this long back. You guys can tell. Biomedical or biotechnology? Why?
So
I mean, I
I've
would
had this.
Before
Yeah.
that, before
yes.
that, we will do this for another 10 minutes and we'll wind up. Otherwise, questions will keep coming. There are 34 people on the live, so let's go.
Yes, Ashish.
Yeah, so I've always had this conflict while joining the college. Should it be biotech or biomed? But the only thing I found out was biotech is like more research oriented, and biomed is more of industry oriented. So I wanted to be in the industry oriented field, so I thought biomedical was the best fit.
Bharat, do you have anything to add?
Yeah,
Both of you have to
firstly,
answer.
Yes, you go last.
yeah, so till second year I was not even knowing the difference between the biomed and biotech.
Cheers to
Like
that.
recently I got to know.
I didn't
Yeah.
know what C, Java, all these things when I was in first year. So yeah, I was more dumb
So
than you.
basic difference I know that some like autonomous university offering biotech course and like BTech course, and like normal university offering BE course.
Okay. Aditi.
I am doing biomedical, so I would say biomedical is more better. But then I'll tell you my reason why I joined biomedical. First, like most of the other biomedical students have tried for NEET, didn't get in again. Yes, reservation sucks. Okay, anyways, didn't get in. So I wanted to do something which is more healthcare related, and biomedical is something which is more related to human beings. Biotech is more related to plants and organisms. So that is why I've chosen biomedical.
Okay. Then quickly I'll go through the next question. My God, where was I? Ashish Bhai writing book about how resume shouldn't be one page. that's nice, man. After like 4 years, he will be in a better place probably. Biomed. I have 3 years of experience in graphic designing. After that, I switch my domain. Should I add this on my resume? Absolutely. Absolutely add it on your resume, because if you are planning to do graphic designing for a medical based startup, it is like a brownie point. What about SRM in Ramanpura? SRM, too many SRM. Gargi says, super proud of you for what you are doing, working for this field and encouraging others. Good enough. I think it's for you
Gargi.
guys. Gargi. It's
Gargi.
for
It's
you
Gargi.
guys. Gargi, sorry. Jatinder Kumar, if possible, could you share your WhatsApp channel link in the chat? Can anyone do that? Bharat or Ashish or Aditi, whoever is there. And any of you who is already there in the community, just put it on the chat. Whoever can. I cannot switch screen, that's why. Ashish bhai blushing, actually. I don't know. As many are there, which is a good biotech or biomedical. Again, answer this question. Bro, best college in Karnataka. RJIT? No. So RJIT is no. Bharat has given a confirmation for that. So RJIT is no. I think Dayanand Sagar is good. That's like a good college in Bangalore I've heard of. And Bharat, you have any known colleges in Bangalore which is good?
Yeah, only two colleges are there for biomedical engineering. One is ACS college is there near to Mysore Road, and second is this. So I think both colleges are same only.
Okay. Why that laugh? Why that smirk, bro? Nice. But yeah, he's a very motivating chap. He keeps texting me every day. So good chap. Can you suggest some good companies in Chennai for industrial internship? Do you guys know any companies? Join the community. I will find and send it. Are you going to join SRM kit? Yeah. How to study one day before exam? Pull an all-nighter, drink 3-4 cups of coffee, and just study. Any other suggestions you guys have?
I study every time before exam, like one day before exams.
That's only required. If you just understand what it is, that's good. Bharat, how to pull
Yeah.
an all-nighter one day before exam?
Just watch your YouTube video in 2x speed.
Okay, Ashish.
I have a motivating friends because my friends are like they're always playing, and so I want some people to push me. So that's how I do my studies.
Nice. Biomed Bro, I had PCB plus CS in Med 12. If pursue biomedical engineering from SRM, will it be difficult for me to cover up mathematics subjects? Absolutely not. I scored 34 out of 33 in maths and I still pulled off. So you can also pull it off. I think Aditi is from pure biology field. Aditi or
And I scored 40 out of 40. Just saying.
I scored in boards. I scored in boards. 33 was the passing. I scored 33 out of 100. 34 out of 100.
I am not going there. I was pure PCB student, and when I joined Karunya, I had to study differentiation, integration, all that stupid maths, everything. But then again, I got 40 out of 40 in my intern, so I'm happy.
So
Cool.
I'm also a pure science student. So I was really scared of maths. But once I started studying, and it was like very easy for me. I in fact scored the best grade
Bro,
in maths in my first semester.
bro, my hack, I
So
always tell this to others. Find a friend who is good at maths, understand
yes,
by heart, and just put it on the paper and come. You will pass. If possible, could you share your WhatsApp channel link? I'm unable to find it. Sure, bro, I'll share it on the chat. Same story. Which college is best for biomedical engineering? IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur. What, bro? These are best colleges, man.
Susan spitting facts. Susan spitting facts.
Yeah, but unfortunately, we are not that smart. I am not that smart. So I think Karunya is good, even though they are not there are not so many non-technical events happening. So Karunya is good when it comes to the equipments, labs, and syllabus is really good. So yeah, Aditi says, how would it be in SRM Ramanpura branch? You have answer. You have anyone there in SRM?
I have people in SRM in main campus, Katankulattur.
Cool. So WhatsApp again, community, right? please. Please share
Yes,
your
for
WhatsApp
sure.
channel link where I can reach out to you. Yes, we will. Ashish, any tips? No. Push you from where exactly?
I don't know what that means.
Even I don't know what that means. Aditi, NEET score. Why not BDS and BAMS? I answered this question, so this question is for you again.
What is it again?
What is your NEET score and why did you not take BDS or BAMS? Why biomedical?
What is my NEET score? Okay, that will be controversial. I'm not saying that, but it was pretty great. It was pretty great to
Give a
get into
range.
a.
Give a range.
All right. Okay, so okay, life story, guys. Life story time. I did my 12th in 2018, then dropped in year, then prepared for NEET. Then that time my score was a good decent score, less than 600. But then when I say less than 600, it was pretty good. Okay. And then after that, then I dropped again. But then my parents were like, don't waste your years. So I've joined BSc Biology, Botany, Zoology from a government college. Things were going great, did my first year. And after that, one random day, I told my parents that I'm not going to do this BSc anymore. And I have very supporting parents, I would say. So after that, I dropped the college there. Then again, wrote NEET. Didn't get into a good college. That time it was above 600, but still didn't get into a good college. I was getting private colleges, but then I have two younger siblings. I do not want private college. I do not want to feed them 1 crore rupees. And that is when just dropped studies for a while. My mother says I was in a little depression, so maybe that. And after that, found my mother found biomedical engineering. I had no clue what it is, how it is, what it does. And after that, did a few research, some research. After that, found some colleges, good colleges. I had to write JE after that. But then, since I am pure PCB, I was in no mood to write any competition exam or do anything like that. And that is when I joined Karunya.
And rest is history.
Yes.
Anyways, last couple of questions. Those who have chosen biomed in place of MBBS should be happy enough. Being as a doctor, you can serve human beings, but being a biomedical engineer, you can serve the whole humanity. See, that's the way.
Hey,
That's the
I
way.
like it.
Yeah. So that is
Yes.
from Manjulata Sharma. I think that's your mom.
Yes, that's my mom.
Nice. Ritika, is it Kalaslingam University good for doing BTech in biomedical engineering? Never heard of that college. If anyone of you guys know. But yeah, join, like, just drop a comment and I will reply to that for sure after doing research. Ashish bro, how to clear arrears in one stroke?
Study well, and think you are in a really big problem, so you should approach your concerned faculty.
Cool, sounds great. BME are as important as doctors. Okay, so we are out with questions. We'll end this, but before we leave, you guys can tell what all you want to share from your experience to the people who are about to start college or people who are still in the dilemma of biomedical or not. I'll go with Bharat first.
Yeah, so I'll say it's a pretty good field. It's currently Indian market are growing in healthcare industries. As compared to abroad, there are less opportunities, but the market is growing. That I would say.
Cool. Aditi?
Okay. So one piece of motivation from my end would be to not think too much. It is a pretty good field. It is a great field, I would say. When I joined this field, I had so many doubts that will I be able to do this or do that? But then I have grown a lot professionally, personally. I have grown a lot, and we have like healthcare has so many opportunities. Just if you are from pure science background, doctor is not just one thing. So many opportunities are there. You cannot stress on it.
Ashish?
So I would suggest that you should not miss any networking opportunity with an industry or professional. You might not know where you land your next internship, or you'll get something out of it. So I think networking is the best thing to do
I'll back that point up.
while in
Networking
college.
is really important. Correct. Justice for NEET students, someone is saying. So, okay. So, bye, guys. Thanks a lot for joining and sharing your knowledge with everyone. I will just take 2 minutes of time and I will also end this session. Okay. So, hope that was helpful. If yes, then let me know. Let me know. Let me know if that was helpful. So, we have around 33 people watching it. And before we sign off, some questions. Okay, how placements are in SRM KTR? Join the WhatsApp community. I am sending the link right away. You can join it, drop a message there, and I will reach out to you and I'll help you with the concern. Please share me their contacts, LinkedIn, so I can connect with them. Yes, I am sending my LinkedIn link and I am also sending the WhatsApp link. So we can go about it like that. Copy link address. I have put it on the chat. You can spam the joining button and you can join in. When will you guys start another live? Every Sunday 9:30 p.m. we will be there doing these lives, so it will really help you all. So you guys can join in as usual. Any other questions? Last 1 minute. If there are no questions, I will change the screen. I will put the co-working screen. You can just be on the live, listen to the lofi music, and you can just work or study or do whatever you are doing. Okay, I'll just wait for 30 seconds and then if no one is there, then we'll end the live. That's all. It was great. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You found it helpful. Ashish for life. Where to get live update? This will be a recorded one, so you can watch it whenever you want. It will be there after 15 minutes of the live once the processing is done, and you can watch that. Any other questions? Okay, I think that's about it. So I'll see you in next week, Sunday 9:30 p.m. with currently designing website. Yes, currently I am designing the website. The website is already there. I am revamping it. So yeah. And tomorrow we'll be putting a really good video for people who are looking for internships. You can get some opportunities with me where you can just do internship under me and things like that. So absolutely stay tuned for tomorrow's video. 8 p.m. tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay home, take care, and listen to some good lofi music. Bye-bye.